4 ways you can make passive income starting today without putting money up front. I recommend you watch this video all the way through. Passive income is when you make money without being there. When you're sleeping, you're making money. When you're out at the gym working out, you're getting paid. When you're hanging out with friends, money's still coming in. Like having a Coca-Cola machine, or those arcades that collect coins all the time, and you're like playing that arcade game and you're going back at it, same thing. This does not involve stocks or real estate. We're gonna discuss methods that require your time. Because when we think about passive income, it comes down to 2 things: money and time. You need one of these. The traditional ways of making passive income would be through investments like stocks, bonds, real estate, where you put money up front and then you get paid for it. Either it's through a dividend through a stock that you're holding, or rent checks through real estate that you own, and equity appreciation in either the stocks or real estate. Land's going up in price, stock market keeps going up over the years. If you study all the self-made millionaires, if you look at Warren Buffett, if you ask anyone that's wealthy, they'll tell you that they could not have built their wealth without passive income. Investing is a form of getting passive income. That's what requires money. Now, you want to make passive income, but if you don't have money, another great way to do it is to use your time. Number 1 goal should always be to build as much passive income as possible, and to the point where your passive income can surpass your active income. Let's say you work a job and you lose it. Now, instead of being homeless, you'll have these other streams of income that you've built. Stock market is great. I'm not discrediting that. Real estate is amazing. But those require a lot of capital, and they've been discussed in earlier videos, so go ahead and watch those if you haven't already. But in this video, we're discussing 4 ways where you can make passive income starting right now. These will kind of stack on each other, as you'll see later in the video. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically sales of the internet. You're selling something, you're selling a product or a service, and you're earning a commission off of it. Just like a car salesman at a dealership sells a car, he or she will earn a commission. Now this, in my opinion, is one of the best ways to make passive income, because you do absolutely no work when it comes to the business itself. The product is ready, the product's ready to be sold, and all you have to do is get that product and put it in front of customers that need it. So you see a business, you see its product and service, there are hungry customers out there, you just have to match them, and that's what affiliate marketing is. Now you can get as creative as you want with affiliate marketing. Some people take it as their full-time careers. They start creating Facebook ads, they start building websites around these affiliate links, they start making blogs, right? You can review, for instance, you can review cameras on a website, create a camera website reviewing the best cameras, and then use SEO, which is search engine optimization. Use that to optimize your page. Make sure that you have the best title on your page, the best keywords in there. It's ranking high on Google search. Maybe pay a little bit of money to Google so it's on the first page. Then when people click on your article, read the review that you made about, let's say, this random camera that you're talking about. At the end, you offer a link saying, oh, by the way, here's this camera on blank website, whatever you're affiliated with, whether it be Amazon or Canon.com. They hit the link, buy the camera, you earn a commission. It takes a lot of time to set up that blog, time to do the SEO, time to put in that work and creating all that content. But once it's there, you are now getting paid for the time you put up front once, and you're forever getting paid as long as people are searching for whatever it is that you made. And there's many places that offer affiliate marketing. You can go to Robinhood if you want to make money through stocks, right? If people want to invest in the stock market, in my video of how I invest or how to invest in the stock market, there's a link to Robinhood where if you sign up through that link, you get a free stock and I get a free stock. That's a form of affiliate marketing. It's a win-win situation. And same thing like those Amazon links earlier. When someone buys through that link, it costs them nothing more than if they had searched it themselves and bought it alone. So it's a win-win for everybody. No one here is losing. There's a lot of websites that offer this service, right? So like, where do I start affiliate marketing? One of the easiest places to start is Amazon Associates. You can set up an account in 5 minutes or less. I've personally done this already. If you look at the description of many of my YouTube videos, you'll see books that I recommend with Amazon affiliate links. Now, I don't do anything besides leave those links there, and sometimes people buy things through my link and I earn a commission. That's completely passive. I did not work for that money. I did not have to actively be there, right? Like active income, you need to show up and trade your hours for dollars. Here, I just left the system in place and collected passive residual income. The goal to get financial freedom is passive income. You want your passive income to surpass your active income. If you make $4,000 a month actively working your job, you're gonna wanna make $4,000 a month in passive income or more. Once you surpass it, you can quit your regular job, or you can keep it, but you know you're free and you're secure in case you ever lost your active income. If you got hit by a bus, if for some reason you got laid off, you just can't work anymore, you know you have your passive income there for you. I think we all know how important passive income is and how much we all love it. Second way to make passive income would be using a publishing business where you make ebooks and audiobooks. And what you do is you create content that people need. People have problems. Let's say they want to know how to cure a really bad cough. You write an entire book about curing coughs so they never cough in their life again. Just like earlier with affiliate marketing, you want to make sure that your title is ranking at the top of the search so people are buying your book, and that your book has good content so that you're getting good reviews and it stays at the top, which gives you more passive income for the long run. The beautiful thing about this is once you've published the book, it's on the website forever, and people that keep searching for this problem will always see your book, and if it's good, they will buy it, leave a good review, and it'll rank at the top of the search results, and you'll forever create passive income for yourself. Now you get that same book, that ebook you made, and you hire a narrator, or if you have, a really good voice, you can go ahead yourself and read the entire book, record it, and publish it as an audiobook as well, and you sell it on a website like audible.com. Now you're making money on that end as well. And same thing, if it's good, it'll rank at the top. You need to make a title, a good title that people are searching for, and a cover, because people definitely do judge a book by its cover. So you want it to be enticing. Everything can be outsourced as well. You can go on Fiverr.com, look for a graphic designer, and make a beautiful cover, because that's really important. And if you don't want to write the entire book yourself, you can hire a ghostwriter on Fiverr as well, or ghostwriting websites. You just Google ghostwriting websites, and then once a ghostwriter writes it, you just proofread it, make sure it's actually good and has value in it. Then you go ahead and publish this book. And I love this source of passive income because it's completely digital. You're not creating a product, you're not drop shipping where you have to deal with customers that need a return, you have to ship things from China, you have to do all this work. It's just a simple digital document. If they want to return it, fine. It's digital. It's really easy. You don't have to touch anything. And in these books, we can stack it on the first source of passive income. Let's say you're making a book about how to lose weight. You can put in an affiliate link of, let's say, a blender, because you're talking about this healthy smoothie that gets someone in shape. So you put this link to a blender in there and you earn commissions off that as well. The third source of passive income is tutorials, teaching people how to do something that you're already knowledgeable in. Now, once you make these tutorials, you go on and you stack your affiliate links and ebooks in there. This is where everything starts stacking. So let's say you make a tutorial, as a lot of girls have makeup channels, right? Making how to do your makeup. And then you leave affiliate links to the makeup brand that you like. Easy money. And all you do is talk about makeup. Let's say you like working out. Same thing. You talk about your fitness gear. Maybe you have these resistant bands that are super cool and unique, and they change resistant levels. You put that link in your YouTube video or whatever you're teaching people how to do things on. YouTube is a great source. YouTube is amazing. I love YouTube. If you're just starting out on YouTube and you're teaching people how to do stuff, they're more likely to follow you and subscribe and stay up with your videos. Because if you just start and you just make like, oh, hey guys, I'm vlogging out here, I woke up, I had Oreos for breakfast, today's a kind of so-and-so day. No one cares about your life. That's why I don't make vlogs. You don't see me going out saying, hey, look at my life. I'm gonna just talk about myself all day. I'm here to provide value. I want to give you juice so you can take the juice and drink it and apply it to your own life. I want you to get better. I want you to improve. That's all I care about, providing value. When I watch a video, when I edit these videos, I even cut out my breaths. If you notice, there's a lot of jump cuts because I don't want you to hear me go. So I'm taking a breath, talking slow. I know you're watching and you just want, give me what's the detail. Come on, give me what's in the title. Give it to me now. Choo, 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 choo. And that's what I'm trying to do. So third source of passive income, create tutorials. Anything you're knowledgeable in, more knowledge than the average person, right? You can even do a math YouTube channel. If you're smarter than a fourth grader, you passed the fourth grade, you can create a YouTube channel on mathematics. You can talk about algebra, 1 + 1 = 2, how to divide, 4 divided by 2 is 2, okay? So let's get into the last source of passive income, the fourth one. Now this This is completely different from the first three. It doesn't stack on them. It has nothing to do with the internet. This is creating a vending machine business or an ATM business. This is physical. You have to be there just to set it up, and then you just refill these things, and then you check up on the ATM and make sure it's running good. It has cash in it, and that's basically it. The ATM machine is probably going to be a lot more expensive and complicated to start, but the vending machine is really simple. Maybe $100, you get a small little vending machine, put your gumballs in it or whatever it is, go to Costco to refill it, buy everything from a warehouse at wholesale price and sell it at retail price without having to be there. This is like in that video before talking about how to make $50 per day doing arbitrage with candy bars and whatnot, but the machine is doing the arbitrage for you and doing the selling for you, so it's passive. You just do your run. Now, I know you're thinking to yourself, okay, I'm not gonna waste time on a vending machine and make like what, $30 a month in profit? Well, yeah, it's only $30 a month, but that's one vending machine. Let's say you get to 10 vending machines at 10 stores in the area, and then you make your round every month and you keep refilling them, and you're making 30 profit off each, an average of 30, right? Because some are gonna be higher and lower. That's $300 a month passively, just for making one trip around all these stores and refilling their candy. That's not bad, especially because it instills in your mind the habit of building passive income and thinking long term. And then you can move up to a vending machine or the first three methods we talked about earlier, creating the affiliate marketing links and tutorials and YouTube videos and ebooks and audiobooks and referring everything on top of each other. It just stacks like a pyramid. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you might want to watch Passive Income While Sitting in Class, where I talk about ways I make passive income that are different from these methods. Anyway, see you guys in the next video.